So this is how you can schedule a text on your iPad. Let's get into it. At first, what we need to do is to download the Shortcuts app from the App Store. It is the official one from Apple, so it is free to download and it's most likely already installed on your iPad anyway. So locate the Shortcuts app and open it up. In the left panel at the top, you can see we have the Shortcuts gallery as well as automations. So I want you to tap on automations and then tap on the big blue button with new automation to start a brand new one. So since it's an automation, we need to pick what is going to trigger it. And since we want to schedule a text, it's most likely that we want to choose a time of the day to be the trigger. So choose that and select the time of the day when the message is supposed to be sent. After we have that, we can move over to the next page, and in there it should already pop up to you that the send message is an option, but if not, you can also use the search bar to find it. So when you click on send message, you can type in the text of that message and also the person, like the recipient of that message. So just set that up, make sure you go through it, and of course type in all of the important information. Just keep in mind that we are using an iPad, and if you have just a Wi-Fi only iPad or you don't have your phone nearby or something, then you will probably need to rely on iMessage only, because you probably don't have, the ability to send regular text messages. So this is probably something which you will need to stick with. But once you have that, you can click on it done and you have the automation ready, and you can manage it in your automation section every time, so you can delete it in the future if you wish or perform some changes. So that's it from me. Let me know in the comments if you figure it out and manage to get it to work. That's it. Thanks a lot. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next tutorial.